YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to share with you. I have an unboxing, and this is actually a bag that I've unboxed before, but it was like a super quick unboxing and I shipped it off to Louis Vuitton Repair. So I have a repair experience to talk to you about today, and we're going to unbox the bag, and I want to show you what the repair center did to it and how it looks now. Not only that, I have an insert already for it that's been waiting from Zumani, and I want to show you how amazingly that fits inside this bag. And I have a little guest visitor, a dog with a funny story that I want to tell you. Oh my gosh, you guys are not going to believe what I did to my dog. I mean, let's just say I tried to give her a haircut and it was an epic fail. So she's going to make a little guest appearance. And then I have one thing I'd like to run by you. So I am slowing down on my unboxings, but I looked through my wardrobe and I have 18 handbags that I had prior to starting YouTube, and you all have seen them in collection videos, but I was sort of thinking about doing 18 pseudo unboxings, one for each one of those bags, and that way I could kind of show you, like I do when I do a typical unboxing, the up-close nitty-gritty details of each of these 18 bags. Now, some of them are contemporary, but most of them are more on the luxury side of things. And so I sort of thought it'd be fun if we did unboxings with those, because my unboxings involve looking up close, looking at the details, you know, trying it on, you know, maybe doing a little styling, some strap stuff. So if you guys think that would be a fun thing to do, let me know. I kind of got the idea from a fellow YouTuber, and that is Marquita. Oh gosh, I'm like blanking. It's Marquita's channel. I want to say her channel is called Marquita LV Luxury, but I may be getting that wrong. So if I am, I'll make sure to post her link to her channel down in my description box. You must go check her out. She's wonderful. But she says all the time, you know, if you want to start a YouTube channel and you have 5 bags in your collection, you can box those bags up and unbox them one by one and show people. And so that's kind of where I got the idea. I have 18 bags that I have never really given the time that I typically do when I do an unboxing. My typical unboxing is going to be like 15 minutes long, and I'm really going to show you up close how I would wear it and all of that. And so I thought that would be a lot of fun content. So let me know what you think. But let's get into unboxing this Louis Vuitton bag. I cannot wait to show you. Have I said I cannot wait to show you once before, now twice, now 3 times? I think so, but I am excited. So let's go ahead and open up the box. The repair center sent this to me in a gigantic box. And then inside the box was this box with tissue all around the box. And then inside this box is the bag and no tissue paper inside. That's typically how Louis Vuitton wraps their items, regardless of if they're brand new from the store, if they're from the repair center. You don't typically get any stuffing inside of the bag or around it in the box. They did include one of their giant drawstring dust bags, which doesn't really fit this bag, but a lot of people absolutely love these dust bags. So it's a nice perk that I got that. And I'm pretty sure that I got a dust bag when I bought this bag from eBay. Also within the box is a repair receipt. So now this particular bag is on my history within Louis Vuitton's records. And so should I ever need anything else, they already have worked on it. They're familiar with it. There's no question of authenticity because they don't work on items that are not authentic. And this bag was also authenticated by eBay. So it got the ultimate authentication after it got a really good one from eBay. Now they did send me a nice note, and with my other repair experiences, this has been the case, that they send me a personal note, and I like that. They put it in its own envelope, which I already opened up and discarded. And then this is the paperwork that they send you. I'm not going to show you what's inside, but it basically says, here is a copy of the repair agreement for your records. And it just says, dear value client. So I guess I can show you that. And then it talks about what was done, I believe. Yes, it says what the item is, what the service was, and then it's got like some of my personal information on it as well. And so all super professional and nice to have for my records. Now I know you're dying to see what's inside because I actually submitted this repair on May 1st. So it has been June, July, August, 3 months and like 7 days, I think. So it's been a hot minute. You probably don't even remember that I ever bought this bag. I wore black and white because it will pop on this bag, or this bag will pop on the black and white. It doesn't really match my necklace from Yellowstone, but hey, that's okay. So here we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. So this is a current style still with Louis Vuitton. This is the LOCKME BB, or no, what is this? I'm gonna have to look at the card. I wanna say it's the chain LOCKME BB. It is the chain bag, MyLockMe in rubies, aka red. So the chain LOCKME BB. So as you can see, the chain is attached up at the top right here. The bag has a generous zippered pocket in the back. And then on the front, it has this turn lock clasp. Now, I have seen many people on YouTube. I think some of them include Kat L as well as Sophie Chohet, who have had this bag in other colors, I think black for both of them. And they both had major scratching issues with the hardware. So when I got this bag from eBay, I knew that it had scratches, but I didn't realize how bad they would be right here on the tip of this clasp. And when I sent the bag in, I had this fear that I would get it back and they would only change out the turn lock and not the LV part. And when I initially got the bag and looked at it, the LV part also had scratches. It wasn't nearly as bad as the tip of the turn lock, but it was significant. So I wanted the whole front plate changed out. I don't really care about the inside being scratched, but I definitely wanted everything on the outside changed. And that's exactly what I got. Not only that, it still has the stickers on. Yay! I love my stickers. And I have found a company that makes stickers for this bag and the Buci bag, and that is Bags Need Care 2 on Instagram. And I've already put the stickers on the Buci bags, and it was a little hard. They gave me 2 for each one. To be able to put it on well, I needed to use all 4 of the front plate stickers on my Buci bags. Sometimes it just takes a little trial and error though to get it right. So this does have a sticker on it now and it is protected. And so I'm relieved about that. I was going to send the sticker I peeled off my quartz Buci to Cactus Wren Creatives and have her make me one. But when I peeled it off, it got all messed up. I mean, it was stuck onto that quartz bag very well. It was peeling on the edges, but when I started peeling it off, it got distorted. Pieces got longer. I'm like, this is not going to work. And so I was delighted to find that Bags Need Care 2 made them for this bag and the LOCKME chain bag that I have in my lap. So I will link that Instagram page down below. And I would recommend, if you are nervous about it, I know it costs a little bit of money to get each set, but I would recommend getting 2 sets. If you are at all concerned, you can always use them later when they eventually start to peel up. For now, on this one, I'm going to leave the Louis Vuitton stickers on because they are on point. They are just perfect on this bag. So turning the turn lock, I'm going to open her up, and you see inside, they also replaced this part of the clasp. There are 4 tiny screws there, and the inside here is in a like microfiber or Alcantara type lining. And I think they may have had to open that up. And when you look and see there, you can tell the glazing is absolutely perfect. So if they did have to open it up, they did it extremely well. Same thing with this bit. I don't know if this like clips in and they were able to just pry it off, or if they had to open it up and then reglaze. But if they did reglaze, it is absolutely perfect, immaculate work. Now, like I said, Zumani was kind enough to send me an insert for this bag, and the fit is perfection. It has my kind of pocket alignment too. It's got 2 on each side, which is what I like for smaller bags. And this bag is a smaller bag. The reason being is I can completely eliminate multiple SLGs or small leather goods by having this kind of pocket configuration. And not only that, this bag has pockets on its own. It's got this front pocket, it has this back pocket, and then it's got this outer pocket too, which I know a lot of people absolutely love, love, love for their cell phones. So with the longer break on top of this bag, it is going to be incredibly comfortable to wear crossbody. I'm sure I've mentioned that whenever I initially opened this bag, but I feel like this is a whole new experience, a whole new unboxing. So I got to show it all to you. I'm going to try it on. Why not? You may not have seen that other video. And after you see this one, if you didn't see that other video, you're not even going to need to. But let's go ahead and try it on. As I'm trying it on, I do want to tell you something. The reason why I wanted this red bag was to wear to my boys' sport events. I just showed you the blue Buci. This bag is the other color in their sports color palette. They have red and light blue. And so I love having this bag. I love having my Cassie 19 by Coach with the gold hardware. And then I love having my Valentino Roman stud with the gold hardware in the Niagara blue shade as well. So I'm really covered for wearing matching bags for my boys' sports. Here she is, crossbody, a perfect crossbody in my opinion. I love the hardware on the chain. I love the break. It's so comfortable. Now, if I pull up the strap, one thing about wearing these bags on your shoulder is having that leather break. You can always take the chain and just put it on top of the leather break if it bothers you. But this chain doesn't bother me. It feels really nice on my skin, and I have my skin exposed today in a tank top. So I think that that just looks amazing. So that is the MyLockMe BB chain bag, or the chain MyLockMe BB, I think. And I am loving it. And I told you I would tell you a dog story. Let me go ahead and grab my dog, and then I will close out and say goodbye. This is my puppy, Maisie. And she is a Cavachon, which is a Cavalier Spaniel mixed with a Bichon. And she is terrified right now. She does not know what is going on. Why is mommy holding me up like this? Well, I took her to the groomer recently because her hair was really long. And she came back and I didn't feel like the groomer did anything. Her hair was still like 3 inches long. She's usually a really, really fluffy dog. She takes more after the Cavalier Spaniel than she does after the Bichon. My other puppy is more Bichon than Cavalier Spaniel, and they are the same breed. So I started cutting her hair myself. I got some clippers and I thought, why not? Let's just give it a try. Big mistake. Huge, huge, big mistake. Erin, don't ever try to cut your entire dog's hair. It is not a safe or good proposition to make. But anyway, I've trimmed their faces and their ears for years to kind of get a longer time period between haircuts, but I've never done the body before. So here Erin is doing the body, and she takes the guard off to clean the hair out of it and put it back on my dog and shaved her butt. You see that spot there? I shaved her butt. She has no hair there. And so I had to cut all of her hair like really short. And she doesn't look terrible, but she kind of looks like one of those hairless cats because she has long hair on her face and ears, and then her body is super short. I tried to kind of fade it in, but I'm not a hair cutter. It's never been in my career, and I don't think it ever should be because I am horrible at it. I tried to cut my son's hair once, and I completely cut off one of his sideburns, and that was an epic fail as well. So anyway, I just wanted to share that story with you. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It is the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.